Most hockey players with foot and ankle pain don't realize that the ankle is usually not the issue. It's weak toe flexors. Here's why this matters, especially when being on the ice. When you're skating, your foot is constantly dipping inwards and flattening out. This is known as foot pronation. Our foot flattens as we load that leg or push off that foot, and the inner foot then reshapes and stiffens in an arch as we push off. The two most important muscles at the bottom of our foot are known as our flexor digitorum longus and our flexor digitorum brevis. These muscles run on the underside of our foot and connect to our toes. And their job is to secure the toes on the ground, to control how fast the arch drops, and to return the foot into a strong arch. When these muscles are weak, a couple things happen. First, the foot collapses too quickly, which forces the ankle, knee, and sometimes the hip to absorb the force, giving discomfort. And second, you lose a stable platform to push off from, which means you leak power through every stride. And oftentimes, if this issue is not addressed, this turns into Achilles discomfort, plantar fasciitis, and more foot and ankle discomfort. Instead of stretching your calves or blaming your skates, we actually want to strengthen these muscles. And here's how to do it. All you need for this exercise is a towel and something that's going to give you leverage, like a small box or a couple books. Roll up the towel just enough that you can place the front edge of your toes over it. From here, you're going to allow your knees to come forwards into a slight bend. Now actively scrunch your toes into the towel. You should feel the muscles on the bottom of your feet working. You can hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds for 4 repetitions, or you can advance it and elevate your heels off the ground. You're going to slowly lower your feet back towards the ground. This increases tension on your toe flexors. And if you do this exercise enough, you'll start to notice that your feet are really strong and you're able to push off the ice very efficiently.